Hi everyone, welcome back to Jaguar channels. So as you can see, for today we have the Jaguar E-Pace. So right now we are going to start up. So right now, as you can see, I'm inside of the new E-Pace. The design is very good. I think it's a very sporty position and the quality is very nice. We have in the leather seat in the option, the red combined with black. Here we have the multifunction steering wheel. Here we have the controls for volume and the voice command. Here is for cruise control. And now you can see the latest system for navigation. The infotainment of the Jaguar is very responsive. It's touchscreen. So here we have the storage for sunglasses. Very good. Also we have the very good space here. So here we have the driving modes. And this is the 6-4 transmission. It's 8-speed. Very good. So right now we can check out the exterior and see the engine. The engine in this car is 2-liter diesel with 180 horsepower and 430 Nm of torque. And 0 to 100 km per hour takes 9.3 seconds. And the fuel consumption combined is 5.6 liter per 100 kilometers. This is the first generation of Jaguar little crossover, and it's rivals with the Audi Q3, BMW X1 and the Mercedes GLA. So this car is fitted with sport package, so it have more sporty bumper and bigger wheels, and it looks better than the basic line. The design of this car is very good, and for my opinion the E-Pace is the best looking crossover right now. The E-Pace is the best executed car in the current Jaguar range, yes, including the F-Type. It handles more sharply than its current rivals, which give it a proper USP. But beneath that, there's a well-built and spacious car that has practicality and some tech on its sides, unlike Jaguar saloons which only focus on dynamic and forget about passenger, refinement and so on. The E-Pace is too clever for that. It's also more expensively finished car than the rushed to market F-Pace and simply feels better developed. So if you want the best looking, the best handling small crossover in the world, this is the perfect car for you. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this short review and make sure to subscribe for more videos to come.